Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon Arctic fox. Let's begin in the center of the page, draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for highlight, coming in and then back out. And we'll add a smaller circle along the bottom right. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's move to the center and draw a small oval for the nose. And we'll fill that in black. From the center of the nose, draw the mouth, coming down and up toward the left. Go back to the center, go to the right. Now we're going to go all the way out towards the side and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start on the left. Curve this down, come in underneath the mouth, go across and then up. Let's curve the side of the head, coming in and then up. And then round out the head, going up towards the top, go across and then down on the right. Let's go all the way up to the top and draw on the ears, starting on the left. We're going to go up in an angle, and then bend that out towards the tip, and line that up on the right. Let's curve the ear coming up around the side, and then in towards the head. Now let's trace the ears along the inside. Now let's move to the center of the body and draw on some fur, starting on the left. Curve this down and in, bend that down towards a point in the center, go up and out towards the right, and then up underneath the head. Let's go out to the side and draw the arms, going out, bend that in towards the bottom. Let's round up the arms, just pull that up. Let's go all the way over towards the left side and draw the outside of the tail. We're going to go out, around and in, and we'll just bend that out towards the tip. Now it's going to curve this up and in towards the inside of the left leg. We'll go up, across, and out. On the right side, we're going to draw the back foot. We're going to go out, bend that in, then draw the thigh, going around and in. Let's separate the front paws with two lines on either side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of an Arctic fox. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.